How to create your July term photo trends on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose, and without further ado, let's begin. First of all, make sure your Instagram application is up to date. If not, you can easily visit Play Store or App Store and update from there. Now, moving forward, tap on Instagram application to launch it and make sure that you sign in to your account. Now proceed by tapping your story icon at top left corner and select a photo for your July dump. Now you need to simply tap on the sticker icon at top of the screen. Then tap add yours. And here you simply need to write a prompt. So let's tap on OK for now. And again you need to follow the same process. So once you have written your prompt, that is your July dump, tap on the down button at top right corner of your screen. And then you can easily resize and move the stickers as needed. Once you are happy with it, tap on the add your story bottom at bottom left corner of your screen, and when people tap add yours on your story, they can upload their own July dump photos. And that's it. I hope this guide worked, and if you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.